Hi there, students. A pouch. Okay, a pouch. I guess to pouch as well, to put in a pouch. A pouch is a small container, a small flexible bag where you can put things. He's got a pouch where he keeps his coins. Yeah. Also, you find this word a pouch, a kangaroo, yeah, or also a koala. When a kangaroo has a baby, the baby lives in a pouch, which is in the stomach of the kangaroo. So a pouch is just like a pocket, yeah, a pocket-like structure. Okay, so a pouch, a pocket, a small bag for transporting things. Yeah, a bag with a drawstring, so you can pull the strings and it closes. Yeah, it's for transporting various different things. I guess you could have a diplomatic bag or a diplomatic pouch. Yeah, it's effectively a small or moderate sized bag to transport things. Okay, so a pouch. I think for the post office, a pouch is like a lockable bag. Okay, to put something in a pouch, I guess. Yeah, a chipmunk. Various animals. They put food in their mouths, and they use their cheeks as pouches, and they're full of all sorts of food, and it's their pouches are full. But think about a kangaroo or a marsupial. Yeah, it's the pocket in a kangaroo's stomach that it uses to look after its baby. Yeah. Okay, yes, if you seal food in pouches and then put it in the fridge, it generally lasts longer. Okay, so a pouch. You can have a bag from the skin of in the mouths of some animals to store food. A pouch, a bag, or a container, or even a pocket. Yeah. Okay, so the raincoat. This raincoat's really clever because it has a pouch and it all folds inside this little pouch. Yeah. Okay, a pouch. Effectively a pocket. There's a pouch in the side of the suitcase where you can keep your documents. Yeah. A pouch for carrying mail or diplomatic things. I guess you could have pouches under your eyes. A marsupial has a pouch. Very often people have a little leather tobacco pouch, a little bag-like container with a drawstring which they pull, a pouch. Yeah, a money bag, yeah, or a pouch of gold dust, which you got from panning for gold. Okay, so a pouch. There are all sorts of pouches. A pocket, a sporran, a sack, a bag, a cavity, a purse, a container. Yeah, these are all different types of pouch. Yeah, a leather pouch full of coins. Okay, so pouch. As to formality, a pouch. I think five in formality, use absolutely anywhere. And this comes from French, poche meaning a pocket. And probably of Germanic origin. There's a Frankish word, poka, a pouch, or Middle Dutch, poke. Yeah, I'm thinking about this pokeball as well. It's effectively a type of pouch. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pouch.